You're watching the Weiss channel. Today we're going to factor by grouping. Here you have four terms. 4x to the third minus 5x squared plus 100x minus 125. We're going to split this into two groups. Okay? And we're going to say just in the first part what's common to those two terms. There's an x squared common to both terms. So if you take out x squared, you're left with 4x minus 5. What's common to these two terms? Those two terms you're left with, you take out 25 is common to both sides, and then 4x minus 5 is left. Now you have two big terms where notice that 4x minus 5 is common to both. So we're going to factor out 4x minus 5. And what's left? X squared plus 25. And that's your answer. 2 steps. Easy. So the other one. What's common? X squared times what's left? X plus 5. What's common here? 9. What's left? X plus 5. When you factor by grouping, you're always going to have the same piece left over in both groups. Okay? If you don't, then you did something wrong. X plus 5 is common to both. You're left with x squared plus 9. Bada bing, bada boom. Once again, x squared is common to both terms here. You're left with x plus 6. Here I'm going to pull out a negative. If you have a minus, pull the minus out because you'll see that turns this into a plus. This minus becomes a plus, making these two terms the same, right? Taking out 15 leaves me with the x plus 6, okay? X plus 6 is common. You're left with x squared minus 15. Again, x squared is common. You're left with 2x plus 3. Pulling out a minus here, again, 13 is common to both. You're left with 2x plus 3. Now 2x plus 3 is common to both. Okay. You're left with x squared minus 13. Here, x squared is common to both. You're left with 2x minus 7. 25 is common to both of these. You're left with 2x minus 7. 2x minus 7 is common. You're left with x squared plus 25. And there you go. In this problem, there's a number as well as x squared that's common to both. So not only is x squared common, but 3 goes into both 24 and 9. So taking out 3x squared, you're left with 8x plus 3. Over here, 4 is common to both. Taking out 4, you're left with 8x plus 3. 8x plus 3 is common. You're left with 3x squared plus 4. Over here, 2 is common to both 6 and 10, in addition to the x squared. You're left with 3x minus 5. Here, 3 is common to both terms. You're left with 3x minus 5. So the 3x minus 5 is common, and you're left with 2x squared plus 3. You've been watching the Weiss channel.